interpreting data for the rate of reaction. So first we have concentration over here. Now this purple line shows high concentration and this green line shows low concentration. So the amount of product in both reactions, only rate of reaction is different. So this shows that the increased concentration of a solution, now the rate of reaction has increased. Then we have particle size. So this purple line has a greater surface area and this green line has a smaller surface area. So basically this shows that increased surface area of the solid, so the rate of reaction will increase. So the amount of product is the same in both reactions, only reaction rate is different. So this has a greater surface area because this is a powder, and this has a lesser surface area because this is lumps. So the greater surface area, the rate of reaction will increase. Then we have catalysts. So the diagram shows that when a catalyst is used, the activation energy is reduced as it creates an alternative pathway requiring lower activation energy. So as you can see that the catalyst has lowered the activation energy, so the rate of reaction has increased. Then we have in the last, we have temperature. So this purple line shows higher temperature and the green line shows the lower temperature. So obviously the higher temperature will increase the rate of reaction.